Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. I was wondering today, can you make a reservation or do you have a reservation? Make and do. These are two very important verbs that can be kind of tricky to learn how to use in the English language. Do you want to know more? Great, let's hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, how do you use make and do correctly in a sentence? Thank you, Sydney, Barranquilla, Colombia. When we use do and make with noun phrases, do focuses on the process of performing something, whereas make emphasizes more on the outcome of the action. For example, when I was doing the calculations, I made 2 mistakes. The action is doing. The outcome is made. I did some work for her last summer. I made a pond in her garden. The action is did. The outcome is made. Now here are examples of nouns used with do and make. Nouns which combine with do. Activity, damage, favor, shopping, and painting. For example, we usually do the shopping on Fridays. Who does the cooking in your house? I do my homework every night before bed. Now for nouns which combine with make. Speech, profit, guest, offer, and phone call. For example, many businesses will make a profit this year. They made me an offer that I could not refuse. I have to make a phone call.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Make a sentence using the verbs do and make, using a noun that combines with each. Now remember, when you use do and make with a noun phrase, do focuses on the process of performing something, whereas make emphasizes more on the outcome of an action. And if you need help, choose one of the tips in this video and practice.
Hey Sydney, thank you so much for that awesome question this week on do and make and how to correctly use them in a sentence. I hope this video helped you, and remember, if you have any questions concerning do or make, type them in the comment box and I will give you a quick reply. And good luck, you guys, on this week's sentence challenge. All right, everyone, that's it for this week's episode of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. I hope you all have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time on Ask Profe Angela. See you!